welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to make these little earrings here. It's gonna look like this. Made something similar to this, but it's using paper. I'm gonna show you how I did it. I already made 5 of them, and what you will need as far as tools go are some jewelry pliers. I use my needle nose pliers and my bent nose pliers. Let's see, a dotting tool, and I also have, it's got a silicone tip on this end. You're going to need a UV torch, a UV light. I have the Resin double-sided lamp, some UV resin. I'll have my gloves on in a minute. I want to get this taken care of first. I just have this piece of plastic here. I'll be using that in a minute. First, I want to get the paper ready. Oh, I'm sorry. You're also going to need your earring of choice. I'm going to use the fishhook earring. I'm going to be using the teardrop open bezel. I'll have everything linked if I can find it. I have a piece of chain cut and some jump rings. So we'll get to that in a minute. So what I've got here is I have a piece of scrapbook paper, and it comes like this. Let's see if I can find it. Got it from Michael's. It's just one-sided. It's a very thin scrapbook paper. I got it a long time ago. And what I'm going to do, you're going to need some scissors. So I got my scissors. Double-sided tape. This is, how wide is this tape? This tape, which doesn't really matter. This tape is a 5/8 inch thick. And what I want to do is I'm going to run some tape like so, and another piece on the frame. Let me come out just a little bit. Okay. And another piece right here. Because I like those other earrings that I did. But I was like, let me see if I can do it this way. Let me burnish that down. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it on itself because you need a back and a front. That's why I'm doing it this way. Okay. So remove the tape backing. And if you're going to do it this kind way I did, you're going to have to make 6 of these, what I'm making. The video, I'm only going to make 1. I've already got 5 made up. I'm going to burnish that down. I'm going to cut this off. That's how you would prepare it. Right? And I have some prepared right here. So same stuff. So I got this piece of plastic. I'm just going to set that down. I'm going to get my little bezel out. I'm not going to glue it down or anything like that. I will zoom you in. I have to put my gloves on, so let me do that. Okay, I got my little torch light here, and I got my dotting tool. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drop of UV resin. Well, let's go 2 drops. And now I'm going to gently spread it out. Try not to move the bezel. I'm going to pop the bubble and I'm going to set it. I don't want that UV resin to move outside of that paper. Okay, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes. Okay, now, yeah, I need our scissors still. Got a pair right here. I'm going to cut these. I'm going to cut this down like so. I'm going to take my little curved pear and I'm going to cut as close as I can to the bezel. Like so. Looks good. I get a nail file out. I'm just going to file. I'm not going to file this. I'm going to file to the front of the bezel. And I'm going to file that paper as close to the bezel. Just needs a real light file, especially if you cut it close. That's good, just like that. Okay. Pull up my gloves. They're just hanging on me today. All right, I'm going to use this little piece of plastic here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now put 2 drops on the back side and spread it out. And you want to cover all the paper. It's just going to move around that piece of plastic on me for right now. I'm just going to drag it out to the edge. Okay, that looks good. Turn it in the light so I can see. I'm going to pop the bubbles. I'm going to set it. And then I'm going to put this in my lamp for 2 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, that part is done. And now I have some poster putty. We'll put it down on here. And I'm going to take our little bezel. Now I'm just going to stick it in like that. Try and get it as flat as I can, like so. And now I'm going to drop a couple drops of UV resin. And let's go 1 drop at a time. And at this time, I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and thank all my returning subscribers. Really appreciate the support of my channel. Really do. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Your likes and your comments really help out my channel a lot. So yeah. So if you like if you'd like to leave me a comment, I like to read your comments. I like the engagement. So I'm going to pop the bubbles. And then I'm going to set it. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm just going to set it with this torch light. And I'm going to now put it in my lamp for about a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to take my UV resin. I'm going to do another little drop of resin, and I'm just going to drag it to the edge. As far as the engagement on my channel, I really like reading the comments. You guys are always so nice to me too. I really appreciate that. And your engagement lets YouTube know that people are watching my videos. So I'm gonna pop the bubble, if there's any bubbles. I'm gonna set it. And I'm gonna do this one more time just like this, and then I'll be right back for the next step. And I'm gonna cure it for a minute. And then after I'm done doing the next one, I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. So I'll be back after the next one. Yeah. Okay, I am back. Yes, so now I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to set it back on there. And I'm going to do the same thing that I just did. I'll do the first one. It's going to be a drop of resin. This might be the last drop on this side because it's already domed. I have a feeling if I do another drop, it's going to just drip right off of there. Just want to make sure that paper's covered. Yes, it is. Okay. I'll pop any bubbles. I'm going to set it. I'm going to cure it for a minute. I'll check it and see if we can put another one on there. So I'll see you in 1 second. Okay, I am back, and looking at this, I think I have enough on there. So I'm going to cure this for another minute, 2 minutes, and then we'll go on to the next step. Just wanted to see if it was domed enough on there, and it is. Okay, well that is fully cured. And I'll take that off, move this over. I'm going to remove my gloves now with a little teardrop with the paper. It looks so cute. So I have some cardstock here that I just stacked up and covered with masking tape. I'm going to get my little drill, my little hand drill, and I'm going to drill a hole as close to the tip of the teardrop as I can get it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to wipe off the little earring here. I got a piece of baby wipe I got a baby wipe with some alcohol on it. And now I'm going to wipe up that powder and that resin. I don't want it going airborne. So like I said, I already made 5 of them. Okay, this is the longest one. Medium and short. Got my earring and my 2 jump rings. All right, we are going to get a jump ring and open this and see if this fits, because the way I drilled that, I don't know. All right. Yes, this one fits. Good. Good, good, good. Nope, keep it open. Just gotta put the chain on there. Good. I'm gonna close it. Make sure it's closed. Okay. It's the long one. Now we're going to open up another jump ring. I think these are 4mm jump rings. And we're going to go short, medium, and long. I think each one are like 2 chain links longer. Then the hook's going to face me as I put that on like so. Now I'm going to try to close this. There we go. And there is our earrings. Let me get something to put that on. Aren't those cute? So cute. It's just done with paper. You got the front and the backs. Each one looks so cute. You could even really dress these up, like take one of your markers and your gold markers or your silver, in this case silver, and you can follow little lines on the pattern of the paper. Thought about that after I had done it. So yeah, you could do that. Didn't that turn out cute? Let me know what you think by giving me a like if you like it, and let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it. So until next time, you have a great day and God bless. Bye.